Few days ago, I did a crazy experiment kung saan I went to ng mall, tapos wala akong dalang cash, tapos I try to survive using only cryptocurrency. Ang tanong, kaya ko ba ito? Well, in this video, let's find out. Let's go! Hello mga Lodi! So nandito tayo sa mall and we have 3,000 pesos in our Coins PH account. Meron tayong 1,000 pesos each in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. At ito yung gagamitin natin later pambayad. Tapos, i-check natin later kung kamusta yung conversion, tapos yung mga fees. So yeah, let's go! Now, before tayo mag-proceed, we have some good news for our community. Magkakaroon tayo ng exclusive na raffle for you. Kaya make sure to finish this video, watch until the end, so you won't miss out. Now, going back, as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, what I love about Coins.ph is that they're trying to bridge the gap of using crypto to real-world use case talaga. Especially ngayon, marami nang tumatanggap ng payments via QRPH. Using Coins.ph, magagamit mo yung crypto mo na pang bayad. Kaya in this experiment, yan yung tinry natin. So here's what I did. 3 yung missions ko. Number 1 is to have lunch. Number 2, buy something for the kids. And number 3 naman, buy some pasalubong or snacks. And today, let's find out ano yung results. So first stop namin was we had lunch and we had some Japanese food. Now, when we were about to pay, na-notice ko na walang signal. And since wala tayong dalang cash, buti na lang merong backup, so we had to use our card. However, nung we were supposed to sit down already, doon ko napansin na nagkaroon na ng signal. And I really wanna try it out. Kaya I told my wife na, hey, let's do some takeout. Tapos try natin yung QRPH via coins. And finally this time, it finally worked. So yung ginamit ko na cryptocurrency dito is USDT or yung US dollar na cryptocurrency. Now, the next step namin was to go to the bookstore and buy some school supplies. However, ito yung nangyari. Mission failed. Walang signal sa Nasyo. Next stop, let's go. Kaya we decided to proceed to our next stop, which is buy something for the kids. And this time, I was planning to use Bitcoin or Ethereum sana. However, as I was paying, I was getting this error. Now, I'm assuming I'm getting this error because nagfa-fluctuate kasi yung price ni Bitcoin and Ethereum. Kaya I feel like the best way to pay talaga is by using USDT or yung US dollar na crypto. Kaya that's what I did. Good thing meron pa tayong sobrang USDT and was able to pay using yung USDT na crypto. Tapos later, check natin magkano yung conversion and fees. And lastly, before kami umuwi, we decided to buy some pasalubong or snacks. And knowing yung error kanina, I decided to convert yung Ethereum ko to Philippine peso. Now, very convenient lang siya, very easy, tap-tap lang siya. And I was able to convert yung Ethereum ko to PHP. And using my PHP, yan yung ginamit ko pang bayad via their QRPH. And sobrang smooth naman ng transaction. And later, pakita ko rin yung conversion fees ko from converting my crypto to PHP. So yeah, we did it. We were able to use cryptocurrency via Coins.ph kung saan we were able to have lunch, buy something for the kids, and have some pasalubong. Ngayon, let's check how about yung conversion and fees nila. So for the lunch, yung ginamit natin is USDT, yung US dollar na stable coin na cryptocurrency. So ito yung conversion natin. We were able to spend 385 pesos, converted that one into 6.35 USD. Tapos, chinek ko kaagad, based on market price, yung value ng USDT, for you to pay 385 pesos dito, 6.35. So, if you notice, basically, wala siyang conversion fee. So, again, I paid using USDT. It paid 385 peso, and so far, wala namang conversion fees. Now, for the kids naman, so when we were paying for the kids, ito naman, we use again USDT. So, ito yung time na I got an error. I was supposed to use Bitcoin sana or Ethereum. Good thing meron pa tayong sobrang USDT and ito yung payment natin. So, 396 yung payment natin and nakuha sa crypto natin is 6.54. Now, checking the market, 6.53. Okay, supposedly yung makukuha lang. So, when you check that one, that's just 0.15%. 0.15%. Sobrang konting difference lang in terms of conversion niya. Tapos lastly, for the pasalubong, what I did is from my Ethereum, I converted it to peso or PHP. So, this is what we paid, 399 pesos. However, I converted yung Ethereum ko, 1,000 pesos na Ethereum, I converted it into PHP. So, if you notice dito, ito yung Ethereum ko, 0.0086 something Ethereum converted to 997. Now, checking the market price, supposedly dapat yung 1,000.76 yung makukuha natin na PHP conversion. However, in terms of like conversion fees, that's just 0.35%. So, sobrang minimal lang din yung conversion and fees niya. So, can you survive by just using cryptocurrency? Well, based on this experiment, yes na yes. And you can do that by using coins.ph. Ngayon, if wala ka pang account in coins.ph, I'll just put a link down in the description. You can use my link, teopilo.com/coinsph, or input the referral code na teopilo once you create an account. And as I mentioned, meron tayong good news for our community. Magkakaroon tayo ng exclusive giveaway for this August. Kung saan, if you use my referral link, we will be giving away one winner of 3,000 pesos. Tapos, if you deposit a minimum of 1,000 pesos until August 30, we will choose two winners of 5,000 pesos each. Tapos, yung mga winners natin, we will be announcing it on August 31 in our official Facebook page, Teopilo. That's why make sure na nakafollow ka rin sa page na ito. So again, use my link, teopilo.com/coinsph, or input the referral code Teopilo once you sign up and open your CoinsPH account now. Again, that's one winner of 3,000 pesos by using my link, and two winners of 5,000 pesos each if you deposit a minimum of 1,000 pesos. Now, if this is the first time you're hearing about coins.ph, I actually have the perfect video for you. Kung saan in this video, I actually shared the pros and cons and yung mga major features ni coins.ph, especially if you want to start investing in cryptocurrency or magkaroon ka ng digital wallet. So yeah, go ahead and check out this next video and I'll see you there.